Hey everybody, it's William Narod here, the Paradise Guy. Thank you so much for joining me here today. As usual, I'm here on the beautiful island of Ambergris Caye, and the question I want to answer for people today is simply this. What should you buy once you decide to buy something here in the Belizean marketplace? In other words, what sort of real estate investment is going to best meet your needs? So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. So there's several different investments or investors that exist out there, and they're all looking for different things. There is your return on investment or ROI investor, and what they're looking for is, when I invest money, what sort of return on investment am I going to get, both from an equity appreciation standpoint and from a cash flow perspective. That's the all-in-one package. Everybody wants to get great ROI on their investment, and here in Belize that opportunity certainly exists. If you are an ROI investor, I want to let you know that there are lots of opportunities here to do that. You can simply participate in what we call syndications and get involved in bigger projects. If you have questions about that, please hit me up at info@paradiseguy.com, and I'm happy to fill you on how you might participate in something like that. Secondarily, people are looking for, how much is my portfolio going to appreciate over the years? And lastly, how is my portfolio going to cash flow along the way? You may or may not know this, but Belize is primarily a cash market. So generally more cash is required down to participate in various investments here on the country. If you'd like some information about how to finance deals in your Belize, please hit me up at info@paradiseguy.com, and I'm happy to get back to you and discuss how we might facilitate you getting some financing here in this market. So what kind of investor are you? Are you a lifestyle investor? Are you somebody that's looking to buy something that you can come and stay in maybe a month out of the year, maybe 2 weeks out of the year, maybe even more, and you'd like to experience the lifestyle and everything that Belize has to offer? Are you somebody that doesn't want to stay and experience the lifestyle benefits of the investment, but simply wants it to perform as well as possible? None is right or wrong, but I want to make sure that when you're working with me, that I'm helping you accomplish whatever your objectives are. So hit me up, let me know what you're looking for, what you're trying to accomplish, and then I can guide you in putting you into the right type of investment. Some examples of lifestyle investments is, you can invest here on the island, you can buy a condo in a resort that is managed by the resort management team. That resort management team is going to take care of everything. It's a hands-off investment. They're simply going to collect your money for you. They're going to be a split between you and the management company. A lot of times that's about a 75-25 split. In other instances it's higher. In very few instances it's a little bit lower. So with that in mind, you're hands off, you're not here, you're not having to worry about caretakers and maintenance and broken appliances and broken dishes and all the stuff that comes along with being a landlord. You're simply going to come and experience the lifestyle that that condo has available for you as an owner, and you're going to collect your money and be able to participate in the profits that that generates. So that is a great equation, and that is very common down here. A lot of people like to experience that and like to participate in that way with their investment dollars. If you're interested in how you can own a condo down here that pays for itself and accumulates some cash for you to have to spend on your vacations down to Belize, please contact me and I'd be happy to let you know how to do that. Then there's the other person out there, they're the speculator. So there's lots of land available here on Ambergris Caye, Caye Caulker, and even on the mainland of Belize, and there are people that like to buy in what we call the path of progress. So you go out and you invest in the path of progress. Along comes progress. When progress reaches you, you have the opportunity to do a couple of things. You can sell that land, you can lease that land, you can develop that land. No matter what you choose, there's opportunities for profits there, but you do need to make sure, if you're going to participate in the speculative route, that you've got the money to place in play to do that, and that your money is patient. Things in Belize tend to move slower than maybe we're used to in North America, so you need to make sure that you're prepared for a longer time span for the return of that money. And if you can do that, the returns can be quite desirable. So Last but certainly not least is the person that's looking for the cash flow. They're the person that's looking to invest in something and they want that cash flow back. They want that return on investment and equity appreciation, and they don't care about any of the lifestyle elements. So you come here, you buy a piece of property, you move in, you move people into it, you've got it leased on a regular basis, you're experiencing tremendous cash flow, and it's appreciating because you bought the property right. These properties come along, they're generally not listed on the market. And even if they are listed in the market here, there is no centralized MLS in the country of Belize yet. We're working on that, but as of today, as I speak today, it does not exist. So we find you the right property. First, I need to know what it is you're looking for, what your budgets are, how much money you have down, how much financing or what terms would be desirable to you and acceptable to a seller. Then I can go to work and get out there and find you exactly what you're looking for to accomplish those objectives, and you can be on your way. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope that you enjoy the information that I share here on this channel. If you do, I really appreciate you subscribing, and I'd also appreciate if you found this video helpful that you would give it a like. With that, it's always a privilege and a pleasure to share this information with you. I really appreciate you following me here on this channel, and I will see you when you come to Belize, hopefully in the very near future. With that, my name is William Nayrod. I am the Paradise Guy. We'll see you in paradise soon. Cheers.